Well, greetings everyone, and thank you so much for jumping back once again into another video of the series Technical Analysis. I welcome all of you to this video. So we're gonna discuss about Luna. Like I told you several times what has happened in Luna, but now I see something in Luna that could possibly mean that you might have a chance of entry. And something else we're gonna talk about, Do Kwon, that he has some kind of allegations on him. It was all about in the news and Twitter that he was being investigated and some people filed a case against him about cashing out $7.2 billion out of Luna, which he actually denied on his Twitter. We just saw that. So first of all, we'll take a look at the price action of Luna, what's with the Luna and Bitcoin as well, and then we'll continue the video. So right now, right in front of me screens, you can see that Luna is trading at 2.94 at current levels. So what we're going to do is, first of all, we're going to jump to the higher time frames, macro scale, and we're going to see the prospects and the possibilities of finding some new supports or some new levels. So first, let's go with the fibs and let's see what the fibs tell us. So there has been a gap created because it was closed by several exchanges, and when it came up back again, so this gap was created, somebody lost the investments there. But it's always sad when you go back to this macro scale and you take a look at this coin and you see this thing, like it was someday it was around $120 and today it's trading at $2.9, and it went to low of like I mean 3 decimals. That was really drastic. So some people again jumped back into the Luna even after a lot of things happened. I have updated many times in many videos that should we trust Luna or not. There were several talks about that. I gave you my view and I told you that you can trust as well, you cannot trust as well. It was completely your opinion, but I showed you the possibilities that what could happen and what could go with that. So in daily time frame we see nothing, so we jumped into 4-hour time frame. Let's find the trend. Okay, so there you see that it has been creating these continuous lower lows, as you can see that place as well, here as well, and then it was creating the higher lows as well. So now if I look at this place, specifically this place, I see this is the point where the short-term bears, I would say them, where bears are interested to drop the price. They are dropping it again and again, as you can see right in front of me. So let's just mark this zone. Okay, we're gonna mark this zone. With this, we're gonna create this range, I would say. Okay, let's make it like something like this, because the selling is happening within this box, not above or not something. Okay, the selling is here. So we make it red. There you go. So we have this support level, and today is Monday, I guess. So it made a Monday high. So in order for Luna to be bullish on this scale, we need Luna to cross above this Monday high and to not drop below this point. You can see the equal amount was bought and equal amount was sold. Not completely equal, but just near to each other. That means there was a fight. And talking about the support, we will find a better support on the 1-hour time frame. You will find this zone act as a stiff resistance, and it will be hard to break above this one. It will always be there. Okay, So for resistance, as for support level, we have this local support. We only had, however, 2 confirmations, but this will work because we have no more support at this place, and the other support will be definitely that point. I don't have to tell you that. If you guys are watching my channel for so long, you should know that this is obvious support. So this is your immediate support level, and this is your resistance. What do I expect from this? Hypothetically, I can try to figure out something like this. The price is falling. I can expect like this, and a little bounce. Price can do that, and then I am expecting this kind of structure. Then we'll talk about what this structure tells that could create a hidden shoulders, something like that, and which could possibly drop us back to exactly at this point. If we measure the targets of this pattern, I believe that it is okay, just little below these ones. I mean, let's just maybe to liquidate those ones. And talking about the Fibonacci's, we have 1.61 at exactly at $1. So let's hope it does not drop to $1. Okay, so that's hypothetical analysis for Luna. Let's jump to the Bitcoin, because without Bitcoin, Luna is gonna do nothing. So it's really important to analyze everything for Bitcoin. So in one of my previous videos, I have talked about this Bitcoin to be happening. I draw this line 1 or 2 days ago, and that's exactly what Bitcoin did, as you can see right in front of my screen. Or I draw the structure, I thought it's gonna break down and gonna move with something like this. I talked about that in my video. So Bitcoin exactly did that. Congratulations if you were watching the previous videos and you made an entry, something like that. Okay, let's forget about that. Okay, so what is with this thing? This is a retest, we call it. If we look at a 4-hour time frame, we'll see a little bit different story. You can see that Bitcoin broke below this support level, hit its target of this pattern that I told you, this some kind of M pattern. It broke down and it met all of targets, and now what I can see is that it is retesting its support level. What will happen if this support is confirmed? This resistance is confirmed and retested. So what is the next move that you should be expecting if this retest is successful? That is the exact move that you should be expecting if this retest is a success. So get ready for another leg down on this plane. So that would be near the bottom, almost near the bottom. We can create multiple bottoms. Like we can use the fibs from here to that place, and we can get this $23,000. We have this one as well. If we take it from here, this point, so we'll have this one as well. So many suppositions, hypothetical suppositions, that what could be the support. But the thing is that you can try along here, because this trend line, this is a good trend line, has been respected several times by Bitcoin, and we can get multiple touch points. We have 3 of them. It's a falling wedge, a bullish pattern as well. If it goes down, there would definitely be a rally towards the upside, and that would be a good news if you break it above, and not a good news if we do not break it above. So I think that was it for Bitcoin. There is not much happening, but at the same time a lot of things are happening, like the support I talk about, and it's being retested. So I want to be cautious if I want to open any kind of long at this point. So definitely no longs here. And talking about the shorts, I want to put a tight stop loss if I'm going to open any kind of short right at this place. I'm sorry. So thank you so much if you watched the video till the very end. Make sure you subscribe the channel and check the community link in the description as well. Join the community. See you in the next video.